Hi, second graders. We've been working on contractions, which are two words that come together to create a shorter word. When we make a contraction, we know that when the two words come together, some letters pop out, and we need to put an apostrophe where those letters pop out. Today, you're going to be doing some slides practicing contractions with not, will, and am. Let me run you through the different activities on the slide so you'll know what to do. On this first slide, you'll notice it says type the correct contraction for the words. So I'm going to come over to the green box and I'm going to read the words to myself. Cannot. And I'm going to think in my mind, what contraction does that make? Oh, it makes can't. So I'm going to come over to the blue box, click a couple times until I see the cursor, and I need to type in can't. Remember that apostrophe key is over on the side right by your enter and shift key. So cannot becomes can't. I've got that one done, so I'll move on to the next one. Could not. And I'll click over here till I see my cursor, and I'm going to type the contraction that it makes. You have 2 pages where you will type the correct contraction for the word. Then on the third slide, you'll move into something a little different. This slide says, type the 2 words that make the contraction. So here we're going to look at the contraction can't, and we're going to separate it out into 2 words. So I'm going to double click till I see my cursor, and I think, can't, that really means the words can not. You know it shouldn't be capitalized, so I'm going to go back and correct that capital. So when you see a capital pop up, please make sure that you go back and make it a lowercase letter. You will also have 2 of these slides to complete. So again, on the first 2 slides, you are typing the contraction it makes. On the last 2 slides, you're separating it out into the word, into the 2 words that the contraction makes. Okay, second graders, can't wait to see your work.